Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Naima Akhter Tesha, Assistant Teacher Science, Morning Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take Class 2 General Science class based on odd one out, and it's a RW class. Let's start our class. Our lecture number 28, and it's a RW class, and here I have given 8 odd one out. Let's start. First one, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, mat. Soap, shampoo, toothpaste, these are the cosmetic products, so our odd one will be mat. Number 2, eraser, tire, pipe, table. Eraser, tire, pipe are made from rubber, so it will be table. Number C, tea, milk, coffee, cocoa. Tea, milk, coffee, cocoa. Tea, coffee and cocoa, these are soft drinks, but milk, so here it is milk. Tea, coffee and cocoa we take as drink, energy drink like. Number D, wheat, hemp, cotton, jute. From hemp, cotton, jute, from wheat we get edible product, but from cotton, jute, hemp we don't get edible product, so it will be wheat. Lake, ocean, pond, river, tree. Look here, these all are the source of water, only tea is another thing. Marble, salt, coal, granite. Marble, coal, granite are form of carbon, but salt it is different, so it is odd one. Ice, snow, steam, vapor, wind. Ice, snow, steam, vapor, these all are the form of water, but wind is another thing, so odd one is wind. Stone, plastic, sand, glass, bird, these all are the non-living thing, only bird is a living thing. So look again, A, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, mat. The odd one will be mat. Eraser, tire, pipe, table. Table is the odd one. Tea, milk, coffee, cocoa. Milk is the odd one. Wheat, hemp, cotton, jute. Wheat is the odd one. Lake, ocean, pond, river, tea. Tea is the odd one. Marble, salt, coal, granite. Salt is the odd one. Ice, snow, steam, vapor, wind. Wind is the odd one. Stone, plastic, sand, glass, bird. Bird is the odd one. These students, we have finished our class today. I hope you have understood today's topic. It was a RW class. Keep practicing at home, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.